Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unboxing a new Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. This actually released earlier this week and I just received this from the Happy Planner. So I'm going to unbox this one today. There's actually another box that's very similar to this. It's a different color scheme, more like blue tones in that one. But it's basically, I think, the same kind of setup when it comes to the items that are in this box. So if you're not familiar with the Happy Planner's Be Happy box, it's basically like a box where it's, the value I think of this one is $100, and I believe this one's around like $50. I will have all of the links down in the description so you can check it out yourself. But it includes a bunch of items. Actually, it says it right here, the items. This one's called Apricot Dream, and it includes a planner, a sticker book, some dry erase boards, a pen holder, some filler paper, and oh, actually there's 3 different types of filler paper in here. So that's really cool. And this is going to be a great set for like planning ahead when it comes to meals and fitness and that kind of stuff. It's kind of like a little starter pack of stuff to get you going for the new year. So I'm going to unbox this one, let you see everything that's in here and do flip throughs. And yeah, I'm excited to get into here. Now I already opened this up and it was a little torn up. Like usually it doesn't come looking like this when you receive it. Mine was just a little ripped open when I got it, but it always comes with like cute tissue paper. I love the tissue paper in here. It comes in a cute little box. I'm always tempted to save these boxes because they're just so adorable. And I have to resist the urge to keep all the boxes. But inside here, it's full of stuff. Like this whole box is full and it's a pretty heavy box. So let's get into this stuff. So I'm actually going to just unpackage everything first so you don't have to hear all the wrapping. But here's the little card: inspire, encourage, learn, grow, support, love. And then a little detail on all the items that are in this box. Again, there's a different version if you don't like these like peach tones. There's a blue tone, I think it's a boho themed one. So we got a sticker book, the little pen stuff. So I'm just going to unbox everything, unwrap everything, and then show you all the items in this box. Oh, I also wanted to share like the packaging on the planner. This is the planner. Very nice, very secure, lots of cushion on the disc area, and yeah, looks really nice. Nicely packaged. Okay, first thing up. Okay, just overview of what I'm seeing right now. Honestly, I feel like a lot of these items are very usable. Sometimes I feel like some of the things in these boxes I won't ever use. Like some of them, half I will, half I won't. But I feel like this one actually has a lot of very usable, functional items in here. So I think this would be like great even if you like get it for yourself, but also like as a gift. Somebody starting off in the planning world, I think this would be a good gift to give. So let me go over the items. Here are some, let's see, I want to make sure I'm calling them right. Oh, okay. So they are dry erase vision board with decals. So these are the decals that go onto the vision board, which is this right here. So you basically, they're like a sticker, but reusable sticker. And then you can stick them on here. I really like this. I don't think I've seen them do something like this. But this one's really cute because you have some headers. This is big, keep up the good work. Some more words here: dream it, success, do it, like kind of like motivational kind of things. I love the little arrows. You can put like little, I always draw arrows, so I like that. Some circle stickers, some flags. We have some quotes. This is big, crush it, yay. Here's the plan. So basically you can just like stick these on here. You can make this however you want it to be. It's empty, which I like. So you can add what you need to when it comes to how you're going to use this. If you use these, I definitely suggest using a permanent marker. Don't use, or like a wet erase marker, I think. Don't use a dry erase marker on here, even though it says dry erase. If you plan on putting it in your planner, it'll get all over the place, and that'll be a mess. But yeah, you use these to add little decals onto this dry erase board. So really love these. Ooh, also these, they start here, finish by. That's really cool. And then you just write around them on this board. I really like that. Okay, so this is awesome. Love that these two, that this goes with the dry erase board. Okay, so there's that. Next, you do get a pen holder, which will go on the planner. I'll show the planner in a bit, but this is the pen holder. So you just stick any of your pens in here, will fit. And then you're able to, I'll put it on the planner, you get a little sneak of the planner. Put it around the planner. Usually you can put it around the whole thing, or you could just put it around the front cover, just so you always have like your pen with you. So you do get a little coordinating pen holder, which is really nice. I guess since I'm already on the planner, we'll just do the planner next. And okay, one thing about this planner, it comes with metal discs, which I love metal discs, and it's just really nice, like orangey color. It's really pretty, and they're metal, so that's even better because metal discs are the best. So this is going to be an undated planner. Again, that's why I think this would be great for like a gift, because it can be started at any time. You have the little sheet right here, the little sticker sheet to label the tabs, or you can use it as you need or as you go, which is nice too because it's undated. Okay, so yeah, love the look of this planner with the peach tones, and then just the simple patterns, the grid right there. Happy planner. This happy planner belongs to, you have the currently dashboard kind of page, good days ahead, monthly. It has a little grid pattern down the middle, but actually very like minimal design and color. And then let's see what the layout is. Ooh, this is a different layout. I wasn't expecting this. Okay, set goals for this month. Does it say what kind of planner this is? It says you decide the direction. Okay, doesn't say the layout. But it's kind of like a goal setting section right here. So you have a set of goal, action steps, reflect. So you have two areas where you can do two different goals. Things to follow up on. I like this page with a little checklist. That's cute. Okay, it's an hourly. Nice. Okay, I actually needed an hourly for later in the year, so this is good to have on hand. I like this a lot. So it goes from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. It has two daily habits, or sorry, two checklist areas right here, and then a empty section here. Focus, daily habit. It's important to dedicate time to take care of yourself to boost productivity. So a nice little sidebar section to be productive in. So that's kind of the weekly section here. And then it goes into the same dashboard, the monthly. This one has a different pattern down the center, but then the same goal setting sheets here, and then the hourly. So let's just look at the dividers, because I love like clean, simple design dividers like this, like with some color. This is very much my style. Love that. But again, there's that boho one, which has more, I feel like this is a little bit more vibrant in color, which is really pretty too. Inspire, encourage, learn, grow, support, love. So you get just coordinating dividers. Oh, I really like this one with the arrows. That's cute. Plans and dreams. Always the dreamer. And good days ahead. Okay. And then the last page is a nice note page. And then the back. Okay, so that is the planner for this box. And then you get a ton of, let me make sure I didn't mess this up. You get a ton of filler paper. So the first pack of filler paper are fitness pages. So you have this month, this quarter, 6 months, this year, your goals for your fitness. I actually need to work on this year, so this is going to be helpful. Weekly progress, so Monday through Sunday. You have trackers. I like that. This is really cute. So these are the weekly pages here. You have a few weeks, it looks like, in this pack. Okay, so those are the fitness pages. And then you also get some financial pages too. So I feel like it's all the things that we try to focus on at the beginning of the year especially, but we should probably focus on throughout the whole year. So financial goals, next month, next quarter, next 6 months, and next year. So you can write those down. Then you have your bill schedule. Ooh, these are nice bill schedules. I like these. So we have 2 months on one page, a vision map of 1 year, 2, 5, and 10 years. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you have a year's worth of monthly bill schedule, so that's good. We have debt repayment. Oh, I'm definitely going to use this in my budget planner. I'm going to add this in. Saving for, ooh, I like this too. Savings tracker. No spend tracker, nice. So you can keep track of that. No spend, no spend. Budget review for the year. Okay, that's handy. And then we have some just note sheets, because you definitely need lots of note taking when it comes to budgeting. And I like this paper. It's simple. Little tiny dots, a little bit of pattern on the side, very much the style I like. Okay, so definitely gonna implement this into my budget planner, so I'll have to do a video showing that setup. Then next, we have recipes. So breakfast ideas, brunch recipes, lunch bites, snacks, main dishes, side dishes, something new, and baked treats. Cute. Good food. Ooh, meal planning. I get a lot of questions about how I can, so I do a lot of cash envelope stuff if you watch my videos, and I meal plan a lot, which helps me to cut down on my grocery costs. It's really, really helpful. I used to spend over $140 at the grocery store every week buying just junk, like things that didn't make meals. And now that I've like started meal planning, I've been able to cut it down to like $80. It's just me and myself. So, but I've been able to cut it down a lot, and people don't get how I'm able to do that. So this is one way that I've been doing that. Meal plan all your meals, and then make your shopping list according to that. So these are super handy. So I'll be using these too to show how I do that. And there's tons of these in here. Nice. So you got a few weeks worth of meal planning sheets in here. Cool. Love that. I'll be able to use most of that. That's pretty good. And then the last thing is a sticker book. This is a 30-page sticker book, which is really, really nice. I love a good sticker book. And this one looks like it's going to be very functional. And, oh, this reminds me of a collection they used to have called Minimalist. Like the whole look of it, the fonts and all that. Okay, so you got some boxes, some checklists, habit trackers. Oh yeah, this totally is like minimalist vibes. Just this peach tone color scheme. We have some quotes, some checklists, circle or top priorities, boxes and checklists, some headers, next thing. This is big priorities, gratitude, winning, checklists or like habit trackers, quotes, more clear quotes, and then goal boxes, and then headers, learning, growth, rest, create, mindset, focus. I love, I think I've said it a few times in this video, I love the arrows. They're so cute. We have some some long boxes and headers, priorities, and don't forget. More quotes. And I really like the font style in here. I love like simple, clean fonts, like very legible fonts. Process, or here's the process, finish by. So kind of similar to what was on the decal sheets. Top priorities, more boxes, then the double boxes, and more habit trackers. Give yourself a gold star. Cute. So you can give yourself some stars for all the little victories. Some quote boxes. Take what you need to succeed and pass some along. So we just have some words to get you through. Patience, hope, gratitude, good energy, happiness, inspiration, confidence, I think. Yeah, confidence, encouragement. Sorry, I'm reading it like upside down. Encouragement, habits, boxes, more of those awesome words. Some circle stickers, big win, yay, lunch, pay, order, dinner, variety of words on here. Top 5, and then 3 goals. More quotes. Love those quotes. Ooh, details, tasks, checklist. So headers and some quotes, and then more headers. I really like these. These are cool. Nice. Okay, so that is Apricot Dream sticker book. Really good box. I honestly feel like I'll be able to use most of this stuff. Like, it is going to be super handy. And again, I feel like a great gift to give somebody starting off, like maybe they don't have any Happy Planner stuff. This would be a great starter pack to start. It's very functional. I feel like these all are things we need to focus on in our lives. So I think this is a really good box. So I will have it linked down in the description with my affiliate link if you're interested in purchasing. But thank you so much for watching me unbox this awesome box. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.